Okay, so when you read this question here, we've got two different locations, so two different currencies, okay, with the two different conferences, and the two employees were given the same amount of money, essentially, okay, and they exchanged it then for either Hong Kong dollars or Japanese yen. And then we told that it's cancelled, so then they have to exchange it back into pounds. So which of the two currencies loses the most money? When you read this, you might think, well, they haven't told me how much has been changed. And to be honest, it doesn't matter, because what we're doing here is we're comparing currencies. So if we're comparing currencies, the key word here is the fact that we've got an equal amount is exchanged into Hong Kong and Japanese. So we can make it up. So we could say, look, suppose a certain amount, well, we'll go for £100 was exchanged. Okay, £100 is a sensible value. So if we focus on the Hong Kong dollars, okay, well, every pound is worth $11.60. So £100 would be 100 times 11.60. Okay, and if you do that, of course, you get $1160. Okay. Now, if we do the same then for the yen, well, £100 was exchanged for yen as well. Okay, so £1 is 127.2. So I go to 100 times 127.2, and I get 12720 yen. Okay. Now, of course, that's how much they received going on the trip, but then the trip got cancelled, so then we need to exchange it back. So when you exchange it back, now we've got to use this exchange rate here, so different exchange rate, and we need to appreciate then that every $12.20 is a pound, so we need to see how many $12.20 are in here. So we're going to divide. So my calculator, I get 95, so now we're back to pounds now, aren't we? So I get £95 and 8 pence. Okay, when I chop off the digits there after two decimal places. Do the same here with this one. So with the yen, 12720, divide by the exchange rate, which was 135.9. And that one comes to £93.59. Well, what is it? It's 598, isn't it? So I'd round that 9 up, so it'd be 60. So this is what they received back. Now the question simply says, which two currencies exchanges the company lost most money on? Where did they lose most money? Well, they lost most money on the yen, didn't they? Because they only got back that compared to this. Now I chose £100, but it doesn't have to be £100. Could be £1,000. Could be £2,000. It doesn't matter the amount. Fact is, you'll be able to compare your answers, and you'll always have the yen, okay, producing more of a loss. Okay, so which of the two currency exchanges lost most money? Well, you could just say the yen lost most money based on our reasoning workings out here.